Rain drummed softly against the window, and Samira sighed, feeling bored with nothing to do. Then her grandma appeared, holding a ball of pink yarn and a shiny crochet hook, offering a new adventure. Samira wrapped the yarn around her fingers, but it quickly tangled into a messy knot, making her groan in frustration. With a little more trying, Samira managed to make a tiny oblong loop, her very first stitch. By evening, she had crocheted a long, uneven chain that looked a bit like a wiggly worm, and she felt so proud. At recess, Samira proudly showed her wiggly yarn chain, even when some kids teased her. That night, a wonderful idea sparked in her mind: to crochet cozy things for children who didn't have much. Every evening became a special crochet time as Samira's fingers danced, learning to loop, pull, and twist. Weeks passed and her room transformed into a colorful yarn storm of scarves, hats, and mittens she had made. Soon her friends wanted to learn too, and Samira smiled, happy to teach them the magic loop. Her small idea grew into Team Cozy, a club where they crocheted, laughed, and helped each other. The day came to deliver their creations, and Samira's heart glowed as children at the shelter chose colorful gifts. A week later, a thank you card arrived, making Samira smile wider with every reread. At the school talent show, Samira crocheted live on stage, creating a bright red heart, and everyone called it art. Samira realized that crochet, like life, was all about patience, creativity, and love, woven together, and a new idea was already forming for her next project. Thank you for listening.